After Microsoft's latest security update left Windows users unable to use its own apps like Teams, Office, OneDrive, and Outlook, Microsoft now has a help at hand. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The Windows' latest March's mandatory fixes triggered some major issues affecting internet connectivity in some apps, but now Microsoft has suddenly released an emergency update, but it doesn't appear automatically, which means you need to act if you were affected. For now, Microsoft says this is an optional update because it's only targeted at those users experiencing these connectivity issues. If that's not you, then you don't need to update. For those that do, Microsoft says it includes updates from previous security and non-security releases along with an additional fix. If you go for the update, it takes approximately 5 minutes to download and another 5 to 7 minutes to finish applying the patch. It really depends on how fast your internet connection and hardware are. The March Windows update included new security fixes and feature improvements, and because it included monthly security fixes, it installed automatically even if it was the feature updates that ended up breaking internet connectivity for some. Users with enterprise-grade account sign-ins were not affected, but if your Microsoft apps are credentialized via your own Microsoft account, then it may. Other apps like MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and even the company's favorite Copilot were also in the list. This doesn't mean your apps won't open, it's a connectivity issue, so it will affect online features rather than just using the app on your PC. It's worth checking your apps to see if you need the fix. According to Windows' latest, the bug affects nearly all Microsoft apps, including the Windows Store and even the Feedback Hub. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.